Hello everyone, welcome to our Decor channel. We are discuss some electronics you need your homes. Fridges are available in single door, double door, glass door. Domestic robot, smart home tea, generator, smoker, ceiling fan, space heater, water appliances, water heater, air conditioner, steam cleaner, iron, saving machine, washing machine, fridge, deep freezer. Much of technology's breakthroughs in household appliances followed the invention of the incandescent electric bulb by Thomas Edison in 1879. A couple of years later, single sewing machine became most haves of modern homes. This is followed by lightweight electric flat iron as well as Thor, the first electric powered washing machine in 1907. The first movable vacuum cleaner was invented in 1905, but it did not perform well because it weighs 25 kg. 3 years later, the first electric cleaner appeared in 1910. The electric home appliances is much better. It is easy to turn out a fridge space these days. Many household was two fridges plus and chest freezer. We have a full king sized kitchen, a mid size like college dorm fridge in the basement plus a small chest freezer and a B B average fridge. Absolutely, a fridge is a necessary appliances. If you do not own a refrigerator, you can have to shop daily. The big issue is choosing a fridge because it costly purchase the variety of options, styles and layouts of considerable. In other words, there are many types of refrigerators you can may buy. You first consider is how wide and tall your fridge should be have is likely decided by the space you have. You can your fridge mostly kitchen fridge between a cabinet you can stock with whatever space you have.